Booyah! What up, everybody? Man, this is a little different, change of scenery. We're back at it, but man, we on vacation. We are not metal detecting today. Man, we just chilling, we just fishing. We just chilling, we just fishing. So man, we're just back at it. I'll get you guys, if I get a fish today, that'll be pretty cool, man. I'll get you on the first reel in. Peace. Alright, y'all. And we got one. And we're just gonna reel this bad boy right on in. Ew. There we go. Alright, y'all. There we go. Look at that bad boy. Nope, we good. Alright, here we go. Yep, we just de-hooked that bad boy. Alright, that's a nice fish right here. It's a nice fish. Good deal. Catch and release. Just gonna throw this bad boy back in. Goodbye, happy fish. Goodbye. Oh, that was a good one. On to the next. Caden's right there. She's on the reel and she's throwing them down. Alright. Alright, we're getting down, man. We're about to cast right back on out. No, we're not. Oh, that's the spot right there. Yep. Yep. Catch up, son. Catch up, son. Oh, man, he snagged right on that one. Alright, this happy guy, look at that bad boy. He's going bye-bye. Well, that was good. That just took a couple. We still got a worm on there, so let's reel this bad boy up and throw it right on back out there. Yep, we're in the money spot right there, so let's see what we got. Hey, we got another one. Bam! Bam! Booyah! That's 3 in a row and like bam, bam, bam. Hey, there we got another sunfish right there. There we go. Killing it with this live bait right here, crushing it. Oh, that's... There we go, right out the lip right there. Back she goes. We still got a little bit of worm on there, so I'm gonna go ahead and cast it. Let's see if we can get another one on this same worm. Let's see. Oh. Well, that right there, that was terrible. I got another one. There we go. Crushing it. Yeah, just over and over and over. I have no idea. Hey, I'm catching them now. Hey, and that's another one. That's 3 in a row. Booyah! And that worm is still there. We still got a little bit of worm. 3 fish down on it. We're gonna continue going. Let's see if we can catch 4 fish with this one worm. Oh, I didn't even get out there. Oh, bam! Oh. I thought I had another one. We still got a little bit of worm though. Hey, we got no worm. It's done so, y'all. So that's what we get. We're gonna fill up the hook and get back at it. See you on the next fish.